What's up guys, Taylor here with BoogeyLights. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 37-foot Berkshire RV. This customer has about an 18-foot awning, and right in the middle of that he's got a 14-foot slide out. So what we did is we took our standard awning kit, that is a 16-foot LED roll. We cut that down to about a 12-foot strip. They can be cut every 3 LEDs. So we cut that down and we mounted it right in between the brackets for the slide out topper. So in this video, we're going to give you a quick rundown of exactly how to install that. On these slides, everything changes from slide to slide. So what we did on this one will not be the same on your rear slide or your driver side slide. So for this instance, you're just going to prep your surface. You're going to wipe it down with some alcohol first. Then you're going to take our 3M promoter. You're going to layer that promoter down next, and then you're going to peel that 3M backing and go ahead and stick your lights up there. Now that is the easy part. After that, you're going to run your wire around the side of the slide out here. If you take a look, the wire for the LED strip actually runs behind that topper bracket, and then it goes up over top of the slide out and around the back side of it. So you can use those toppers brackets to kind of hide that wiring, because the point is to get it as clean of an installation as possible. And then around the back side there, you see we use some 3M wire tie mounts to run our cable down the back side of the slide there. And then once you get to the bottom here, you're going to drill a small hole about 1/4 of an inch and then run your cable inside there to whatever's behind there, some cabinetry or an outdoor TV, whatever it is. For this instance, it was some cabinetry. So yes, and then we filled the hole with some Lexel afterwards. It's very important to keep out the elements. And another important note with this stuff is you can see here we've got about an 8-inch gap and about 3 inches in. So it's very important that you go inside first and you measure exactly where you're going to be drilling that hole, because you don't want to have to put more than one hole in. So make sure you measure very well before you do drill that hole. So let's go inside and take a look at how we ran the wiring. Now once inside the cabinetry closest to the wall here, you'll see what we did is we ended up drilling right in through the side there. You'll see our wire coming in. And then we followed that along and went in through the side of this, which if you see, he's got some fake drawers here, and on the outside of this is his outdoor TV, which made this install really easy actually. So once we brought the cable in from here, we ended up drilling through the other side of the cabinetry here, and it came out right underneath, back in there, underneath his outdoor TV. This is his bracket for his outdoor TV. And then so he had his 110 outlet was right up in here, so we ran our power converter up into there, and our super controller was mounted right here. Nice and easy for him to pop on and off. Made the install really easy with it being nice and open like this. But if you didn't have the outdoor TV and you have some cabinetries or whatever that you could put it in, that also works as well. So then after you just wired up the controller, that's pretty much it. Everything that you see here was done in-house at Florence, Kentucky at BoogeyLights. Give us a call and get lit up today.